Bill and Ben, the tank engine twins, were very tired of an extra work. It is clear that we need a new engine to help out, so I ordered some mainline engines to help with the extra work. That would be great, sir, said Bill. Yes, sir, said Ben. One morning, Bill and Ben were shunting trucks at the quarry when the two unfamiliar engines arrived. Hello, said one. My name's Alfred. And hello, my name's Judy, said another. And hello, my name is Bill and Ben. We're twins. By the way, the truck is over there. Oh, thank you, said Alfred. Soon they coupled to the train. Alright, off we go, sister. Shouted Derek. Oh, we're sorry, said Alfred and Judy. That's alright, said Derek. I've been told the time. And the twins burst out laugh. We got them good, they sang. And then it happened. What the hell? What the heck? Wakey. So that Alfred and Judy had pranked the twins. Let's go on and on like it never ends. But until they went too far, one morning, Alfred was bumping too hard, derailing Bill and Ben's car, and having an argument. It's your fault that those trucks were derailed, said the twins. No, it's your fault. You came in my way, said Alfred angrily. Then there was trouble. Derek and Judy delivered some trucks to the quarry. Wait, stop! Shouted Derek, but it was too late. Are you alright? Said Judy. Ow. Next few hours, Mavis bring the breakdown train to clear the mess. And then Sir Topham had talked to the engines. He was cross. I expect you three to work together, not causing more confusion. And Bill and Ben, I'm very disappointed at you. Also, Alfred and Judy, I expect you to work together, not causing confusion. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir, said the engines sadly. And then the tank engine twins came to apologize. We're sorry we played tricks, said Bill. That's alright, chuckled Alfred. We play tricks too. That's right. We used to play tricks on a big red engine. His eyes nearly popped up. And the two twins talked all day long. You have to go now? Yeah, we have to go now. Yeah, the works have been easy a lot. I need to shut my own trucks for my own train. We can visit your railway if our manager agrees so. Alright, we have to go now. And that's the end of the story.